You know what the worst feeling is when you're playing your Quest 3 game and your battery's about to die. And that's why Yoges sent me this. This is their new headband, which has a built-in 5,000 milliamp battery built in for the Quest 3. So let's open up, see how it is, and let's see if I'm gonna break this one. Oh, pulling out the headband, we can see, wow, this is pretty thin. So to put comparison, my phone, and honestly, I think that's probably one of the thinnest Quest 3 battery banks built into a headband I've actually seen. The back padding actually feels pretty okay, nothing special here, but for what it is, it gets the job done, and that's really all that matters. Kind of got to leave a little bit of force behind it, and slap on the new one. This goes on pretty easily. The plastics here feel a little bit on the cheaper side, they're a little thinner than I would like them, and this top piece I'm just going to pull off because I hate them. So let's toss the box aside and actually wire it out. So all we're going to do is just push it in, wrap it around, and attach it. And we're going to have a little bit extra slack, so you're just going to want to fold this up and try to get some of that Velcro around it the best you can. So putting it on, and hopefully this doesn't explode, it feels pretty good. You know, it's a pretty standard feeling headband. Most of them kind of feel decently. It's 5,000 milliamps, so it won't last you a ton, but should add about a half an hour of gameplay in most situations. Or if you're just watching YouTube or browsing the web on it, it should extend it about an hour. The next thing is to test the durability. So we're just going to flex it, and it seems to hold up pretty well. It will pop off if you apply too much force, which is actually a good thing. You know, that'll protect your Quest 3 and hopefully not break anything. It's easy to pull off. You just pretty much just put tension right here, and it pops right off. But overall, it seems to be good. The padding kind of holds on pretty well. And the dial feels okay, nothing special. It does have a power button on the back, so if you did want to turn it off for some reason and just use it as a counterweight, that's another big thing, is these act as counterweights, so it kind of balances the Quest 3 a little bit better on your head, so you don't feel like you're going to topple over. Overall, I think it's a decent option, especially if you're looking for one that gives you a little bit more battery life, especially on the go. This will definitely be nice. However, take note that being only 5,000 will extend it long, but if you're interested, the link is down below. Go check it out, and the link does benefit the channel, so just keep that in mind when you click, and I really appreciate it. And of course, have a good one, and I'll catch you in the next one.